Alright, so in this video we're going to be covering how to go from grams to moles. In the previous video we covered how to go from moles to grams, so the opposite. So this is grams to moles. So to do this, you will have to convert these grams to moles and then use your ratio. That's it. So I'm sure that's it. That's so hard. Well, it actually is really straightforward. So, first thing, take this number, convert this to moles. So you're doing 828 over 1 times the molar mass of Al2O3. Okay? So, if you want to figure out how to find that, let's go somewhere else. So I have it in the right. So we have Al and then O. Those are our numbers, right? So let's just break it up. Al2O3. So let's break it up to make it a little more straightforward. What is the atomic mass for Al? Periodic table time. Al has the value of 27, which we knew from last video, but I wanted to redo it for you. So we have 27 is the atomic mass. I got that from this part down here. It's like 20, almost 27, so I round up. 27 times the amount of ALs I have. So in Al2O3, I have 2 ALs. So times 2. For O, if you find it on your periodic table, it is 15.999. So it's 16 basically. So 16 times 3. Because you have 3 O's. Magic. Now let's multiply and add. So it's going to be 27 times 2, 54. 16 times 3, 48. Add them together. 54 plus 48 is going to be 102 grams per mole. Woohoo! Okay, now we're going to use this number and convert from grams to moles. Okay? Yeah, let's do that. So, 28 grams over 1. Now we're going from grams to moles. So, grams are not going to be next to each other. So, it's not going to be the big number on top. So, it's going to be 1 mole. See how its grams are next to moles? Yes, they're not going to be grams. So, grams is not going to be across from grams. Over 102 moles. 102 grams. See how the grams are opposite? Multiply straight across. Gives you 28 over 102 moles. 28 divided by 102.
Extended school is now starting. If you are staying for extended school, you need to be in your classroom. There should be no scholars in the hallway. Any scholars found in the hallway supervised will be
equals 2 points.
Camping will shut their doors at 2:50 and not let scholars that are late.
27. So approximately 0.27, and the units are still moles. So that is how many moles of Al2O3. So we just took this right here. Let me highlight it. We took grams of Al2O3 and we got moles of Al2O3. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to stop here for a second, and then we're going to use our ratio. So for our ratio, let's find it out. We have Al2O3 to Al. And Al2O3 to Al, let's find it. So you can either look here, you can look at these, or you can pull them straight from your chemical formula or chemical equation. So how many Al2O3s do we have? 2. So down here, I want you to write 2. How many ALs do we have? Let's go back up. We have 4, so it's going to be 2 to 4, which I'm not going to simplify because I don't want to. Or if you want to simplify, it'll be 1 to 2. So, okay, next step, make a fraction. Which goes on top? It's the 4. 4 goes on top. 4 divided by 2 will give you 2. Now, what you're going to do, this is the last step. You're going to multiply this and this. 2 times 0.27 gives you the value of 0.54 moles. And that's going to be your final answer. I got moles, by the way, because the units over here are moles, so they transfer. But that's it. So, to recap real quick, because this is the last part of the video for this one, you have 28 grams of Al2O3. How many moles of Al do you have? This is a grams to grams problem, or the grams to moles problem. Grams to moles. Grams to moles. So, first step, convert what I've highlighted in blue here, the 28 grams, into moles, because you cannot do anything until you have moles. So I did 28 over 1 times the molar mass of Al2O3. I did Al2O3 because you see how it's attached to this 28 grams that we did here? That's why we use that molar mass. When you multiply it out, you get 28 over 102. When you divide it out, you get 0.27. So now we have 0.27. Now we skip to ahead and we do the ratio. So the ratio of Al2O3 to Al is 2 to 4. If I were to put that in a fraction, that is useful. I would do 4 divided by 2. That gives you 2. And then I did 2 multiplied by 0.27, and that's going to give you the value of 54 moles. 2 times 0.27 equals 54 moles, and that would be your final answer. That's it. So, that's all I have for this video. We went from grams to moles in this video. So, if you have any questions, feel free to find me on Remind. If not, shoot me an email or comments on this video. You can comment, I think, in the Google private comment section, maybe. But yeah, again, here are your two answers if you wanted to do it independently. 0.54 moles, and that's it. Actually, I just realized there's another example, but I'll do it in the next video. So if you want a second video, I'll just do it in the next video. Okay.